Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech and Creatives. Guys, today topic is push conflict. This is a most important topic, guys. Every interview you can ask the honor kit. Definitely you can usage of this question. What is push conflict? How to get the result? How to get the push conflict? How to resolve the push conflict? These two questions are mostly important, guys. Yesterday, these some topics discussed how to create the repository, how to clone the repository in central to local, how to create the file in local repository and central repository, how to usage of add and commit and push commands, how to push the local to central to local. You can these are all topics discussed in yesterday, guys. Today discussed, please go through. I have already my channel in these topics all covered in yesterday topics. Please watch it that video. First of all, go through that video. Please watch it. Today topics is how to write the some content. Okay, how to write the some content of code. How to get the push conflict. How to resolve the push conflict. How to resolve the push conflict. What is pull and usage of pull command. These topics are discussed in today. Guys, most of smallest topics are very important topics. This is what is push conflict, how to resolve the push conflict. Okay, I have one scenario. This is a Bitbucket. Bitbucket means central repository. Central repository, yesterday I showed it. This is a central repository dashboard. Open in my Bitbucket. Okay, then scenario, there are project work on developer modify the, you can any write the one code and you can add and commit and push the in central repository, remote repository. We need to pull that, we are to push, we are working on same file, then push the, then display the push conflict. Will come open the VA editor, remove unwanted characters and add and commit and push. Then okay, understanding? Simply saying developer work on in local repository, developer work on local repository, then write some code, then add and commit and push this, push the central repository, add and push okay. Yes, one developer work on local repository, write the some code and add and push that code also, add and push and add and commit and push in central repository. Under central repository, some you can access the public repository also, you can all users you can access it. Then some developer work on central repository. Developer work on central repository also. That file can work on this file. That file also, file name is can once push it the you can store the central repository in hello world. That oh okay. Or, store in central repository in hello world. This, this file open the some developer can any open the you can write some code also any modification and changes you can write it then commit it the central repository. Then you can once you can commit it store the in central repository. Then local repository work on developer. This developer you can access it. You can any manager you can come you can modify the some changes in that file. Once you can change it you can then add and commit and push it. You can use the git push command. First of all display the some error message. Yes, display the some error message. First of all, what is error? First of all, you can pull it the latest code. Then after you can push it. Thus error message you can display the first display the in using git push command. After that you can using git pull command. Then you can open the VA editor. You can remove the unwanted characters. Then after you can push you can store the central repository. Okay, understanding guys? Definitely I will show the in practical also. Please you can understanding the this concept one scenario. Okay, understanding local repository work on some one developer also local repository in one file is hello world. Write some code also then add and commit and push the central repository. You can store the central repository in that folder. Central repository also some developer you can modify the some changes you can committed that the store the central repository. You can come the local repository. Any manager can came. First of all, you can some changes to that file. You can modification. Can change it, and then developer you can take the hello world file. You can modification any changes and any new code you can write it. Then after add and commit and push it. Then you can display the some error message. First of all you can take the latest command. Then after you can push it. That error message that conflict we can push conflict. Okay. And then use the git pull command. You can open the editor. You can remove the unwanted characters. Then after you can add and push and commit. That will also resolve the push conflict. Okay guys, I definitely show in practical also. Please understanding this concept. Okay, open my repository. Yes, this is my central repository. Yesterday created one project also. This one created one repository, then clone it. Today also I will show you the where the store the my repositories. guys, Git project. Today I also created one new repository for your understanding purpose. Okay. Create repository. Repository name also. See this guys, observe it, how to create the repository. Repository name, push concept. Okay, push concept. When I access the public repository, create the repository. And successfully create the repository. Clone the URL. This is a manually. Yesterday I tell the manuals manually and real time also. Go through that video. Okay. Open my storage of local. Open to Git bash also this place. Open my Git bash. Okay. Clone the URL this. Once clone it, we can add already discussed before. Want clone it, installation, connection and pull. These three you can access it. First cloning the my project. See this. This is my project now. Go through the project. Master branch, default branch. Okay, how to create the one folder or file. Write the some code also. Here writing KDIR. Folder name is and write one, create one file also. Observe guys how to create the folder and how to create the file also. File name is first push conflict. First push. Okay, this is my file name. Under file you can access it. Write the some code. Okay, insert mode. Then this is and save this. First of all, check it. What is Git status? Remember, guys, these commands also very important. Okay, then git add dot. Then check it. Then add the git commit. write the some message also. Modify, committed use this command. Remember guys, command git push origin master. Once you can push it, then store the central repository. Once refresh it, see this pushing file is open the my first project. Yes, okay guys, see this under first push also open my code is this is a push conflict. Write the some code also, edit, write the some code also, observe it guys, this diagram. Once you can remember it, you can developer work on local repository, write some code and add and commission push. Once you can push the store the central repository, you can store it this place. Then you can any some developer can give this is okay. Write the some code also, commit it. Yes, committed. Yes, committed successfully. Then go through series. See, once again I will tell you, go through first project. You can local developer, you can write this command also. Then central repository, one developer can access the modification and write some code, you can commit it. Then go through the local repository. This is, first of all, check it, what is git status. This is nothing to it. Okay, some developer will come in developer one. Okay, some manager will come in some developer one, can modify the some file and add the some content also. You can open open that file also. You can modify the some, you can add the some changes. Then developer one take this file, okay, vi first push it, can take this file, modification in insert mode, can write the some code also. This is my second line, okay, can add the some line also, you can save it, then save. You can check the git status. Yeah, this is modified file. Then this file is add and git and git commit there's some message also, you can commit it. Then see this, observe it carefully. Then you can push it, the git push, you can display the some error. See this error, file fetch and some updated rejected because content of work that you can locally and usually cased of under the body pushing. Already another developer, you can write it some code, you can commit it. Then you want the first integrate the, you can remote changes first తీసుకోండి. Then you can pull the first of all, then before you can push in again. This is a push conflict, guys. Okay, then first of all you can get using git pull command. See some topics, remember the topics. Use the git pull command. Then first of all git pull, yes, you can latest code will come. Then you can push it. Okay, once again you can pull it, then remove the unwanted characters. Okay, this is a merging. See this, master and merging. You can open that file. First of all check it, git status. Yeah, this is a modified both. Open see, this is a unwanted characters. Okay, insert mode. Then remove the, this is this also. So this is a commit ID. Okay, I will show the what is commit ID and tagging section. Under tagging you can discuss in range. Okay, this is a push command, is a first you can write the local repository in some developer. This is a second line. This is a modification in Bitbucket users. This is a modification file. Okay, this command also, this content of ID in central local repository also. You can remove the all commands. Then you can save it. Yes, check it, git status. Yes, both modified. Okay, git add, commands also stored in central repository. Yes, successfully pushing the central repository in 3x3. All commands also pushed in central repository. Once refresh it, you check in. See this, all content and storing in central repository. Once you can modification, any changes, any new lines you can add it, new commands added, new fixings. This all you can store in. Once you can remove the unwanted character, then you can change the add and commit and push. Use these commands, you can store the in central repository. This is a push conflict. Most very important, guys. Please go through this video. Can once again you can watch it. Okay, understand. I think understanding this video. I will definitely share it the all comments. History. Share it the all comments also in description. Okay, please go through, guys. Don't forget this topic is very important. Okay, I think understanding this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget the bell icon. Okay, bye. To tomorrow also some new topics in merge. What is branches? Started in branches. Okay, guys, bye. Thank you.